Hey guys, what's up? So in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can get this Polaroid filter on Instagram. So this is the filter. To get this filter on Instagram, visit the creator profile. Steffi is the creator of this effect. He is having a private account, so you can send him a friend request to get access to these filters. Okay, so check in his filter gallery. This is the filter Polaroid. Tap on it and you will see this preview. From here you can save it to your Instagram camera tray and you can tap on try to try the filter. Okay, and suppose you are not getting the effect like this, then visit this website. Link to this website I will give you in the description box below. So here in this website you will see link to the filter. Just tap on the link and open it with Instagram. Okay, and likewise also you can get this effect on Instagram. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video. See you in the next video.